Want to double or even triple the amount of blueberries your bush produces? In today's video, I'm giving you proven hacks to increase your blueberry yield, help sick bushes recover, and get the healthiest, juiciest berries ever. Let's turn your backyard into a berry-producing machine. Stick around till the end for a DIY blueberry bush tonic recipe that will take your blueberry bush to the next level with explosive growth. Before we get into the yield-boosting hacks, let's cover the biggest mistakes that limit your harvest. First up, poor soil pH. Blueberries need acidic soil, between 4.5 to 5.5 pH. If your bush is struggling, test your soil. Use sulfur or peat moss to lower the pH naturally. Then there's the wrong variety or solo bush issue. Blueberries love company. Plant at least 2 different compatible varieties for better pollination and bigger yields. And don't forget about lack of pruning. Overgrown bushes waste energy. Prune annually to stimulate fresh fruit-bearing growth. Here's the juicy part. 5 hacks to instantly boost your blueberry production. First, mulch with pine needles or wood chips. Mulch locks in moisture, suppresses weeds, and keeps the soil acidic. Use 2 to 4 inches around the base. Next, feed with the right fertilizer. Use a fertilizer labeled for acid-loving plants, usually a 10-10-10 NPK or organic options like blood meal and fish emulsion. Apply in early spring and again after flowering. Also, add Epsom salt. If your leaves are yellowing between the veins, your bush might need magnesium. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt per gallon of water monthly during the growing season. Don't forget to invite pollinators. More bees mean more berries. Plant flowers like lavender, bee balm, or echinacea near your bushes to attract pollinators. Finally, use netting, not chemicals. Protect your berries from birds with garden netting. Avoid pesticides that could harm pollinators or damage the soil ecosystem. If your bush looks sad, don't give up. Here's how to bring it back to life. Yellowing leaves could be iron deficiency. Use a chelated iron soil drench. No growth? It might be root-bound. Transplant into looser soil or a bigger container if in a pot. Droopy or dry leaves. Water deeply once a week. Blueberries prefer consistent moisture, not daily sprinkles. Canker or fungus? Prune infected branches and spray with an organic copper fungicide. Try this homemade tonic once a month during the growing season to give your bushes a natural growth kick. DIY blueberry tonic recipe. 1 gallon water, 1 tablespoon Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, ½ teaspoon seaweed extract, optional. Pour this around the base of the bush, not on the leaves, and watch the growth explode. Keep your pH between 4.5 to 5.5. Prune every winter and fertilize twice per year. Mulch your bushes generously and water deeply once a week. Don't forget to plant companion plants to keep pollinators around. Got a blueberry tip I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your berry growing secrets. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more homesteading hacks, garden tips, and food growing freedom.